Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in my C250 Coupe and I'm going to be modding something on the engine. But before I get to that, I just want to give you guys a quick update on the car because I know last time I told you guys I had an oil leak problem. The oil leak is fully repaired, the car is fixed and it runs awesome. And I'll be doing a future video on all the updates to the cars that I currently have. But in today's video, we're going to talk about air intakes. So when I first started my YouTube channel, one of the first thing I did to the C250 was install a nice air intake on the engine. I mean, it sounded awesome and it looked amazing. The only issue was the filter got dirty really quickly, which required me to clean it a lot. And also because it was really close to the engine and there was no cover, it sucked in a lot of hot air, which could possibly reduce performance of the car. So a few months after that, I took that air intake system off and I went back to the stock air box and I just replaced the regular filter with a K&N air filter. And yes, that didn't sound as good as the open air filter, but at the end of the day, it was just a lot easier to maintain. But recently I found out I can get an open air filter intake that also has a cover that fits perfectly on the car and it looks almost OEM. And of course, it's from my friends at Tornado Tuning. And I want to thank Tornado Tuning for sponsoring this video and providing me with the product. If you want more information on the product, I'll leave a link in the description below. So as always, let me show you the product and then we'll get to the install. So here is the air intake kit. Here is the blue filter that's included. Here is the metal adapter tube. And it also comes with the aluminum cover. And this cover attaches to the car using the included screws. The install should be fairly easy. Let's get to it. So I first need to remove the air box by loosening this clamp and removing these 3 torque screws. Now I can go ahead and disconnect the air tube, remove the engine cover, and pull the stock air box right out. Okay, I put the new filter in the cover and I'm going to slip it onto the air intake tube. And then next, I'm going to align the holes on the cover with the stock holes of the air box. So to screw the screws down, it comes with an Allen key, but to be honest, it's hard to get in there. What I end up using is just a pair of needle nose pliers, and I grip the screws and tighten them into place. It worked fairly well. So now I just need to tighten the clamp. And that's it. It looks awesome. It looks OEM. And let me turn on the car and show you how it sounds. Well, there you have it. Another really cool mod from Tornado Tuning for the Mercedes C250. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It looks awesome, it sounds awesome, and the car drives amazing. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.